Hey, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be talking about creating a new Visual C++ console project in Visual Studio IDE and printing Hello World to the console. Let's get started. Start Visual Studio and go to File, New Project. On the left, we'll select Visual C++ and do Empty Project. Rename this to anything you like, for example, YouTube video tutorial, and hit OK. It will create all the files necessary for the project, and it sometimes takes a little while to load. When it's done loading, right-click Source Files, Add, and New Item. We're going to create a main C++ source file. So go ahead and rename this main. Add. And we're going to be printing the text Hello World to the console. It's pretty simple. So first off, we're going to include the IOStream header file, which is required for printing text in and out of the console. That's why I stand for input-output stream. Alright, so then we're also going to need to use the namespace std, which stands for standard. And standard is the standard library. So now that we're using both those things, we're going to do an int main, which just means the start of the program. So if you ever have an int main in your own program and it's a console project, more than likely this is where it's going to start. Doesn't matter where the int main is in any file, whether it's main.cpp or I like blueberries.cpp, it will be the first thing to run. So now we can type cout hello world and then end-l. Return 0. We're returning 0 because it's an integer, int main, so it has to return an integer. We're returning 0 because 0 is the native just no errors occurred return code or opcode. Cout stands for console out, and whenever you're printing text to the console, you're always pointing to the left. Then we have our text, and then we place another one of these, and then we type end-l, which end-l is in the same namespace as cout std, and it also requires you to include IOStream as well. With this, we will be able to print Hello World to the console, and it will abruptly close. That's normal. What you need to do is type cin, and that will fix it. Or not, sorry, oops. Int t, or just pause or something. Int pause, and then pause. I'll talk more about input later on, but this is like the easiest way to create a pause for console. So now it should stay open, so as you can see. And it will wait for you to hit enter, and you can type anything you want, and it won't matter when you hit enter. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something today. I will be talking lots more about C++ in my upcoming videos. I hope to keep them short and concise, to the point, and help you to branch off of what you learn watching my videos to be able to do your own projects as well. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.